one at a time. You can't rush a moment, so don't even try, don't even try. There's a symphony you're missing. If you only listen, you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Hey guys.
You have made the last 9 years of my life so simple. Being with you has been the easiest thing I have ever done. You have never been entirely settled with your thoughts and feelings, never afraid to express yourself and share your love. This is the start of our happily ever after, the start of our search for a new dream. I'll see you soon. Always yours, Erin. Sorry. I know.
Dear Erin, it is hard to believe that it has been over 9 years since we were juniors in high school. We were kids who don't know anything about anything. But I think I know in my little 17-year-old heart that I was going to be with you and only you. I remember I loved you so much back then, but it feels silly and small compared to how much I love you today. Thank you for loving me and letting me love you. I love you and I can't wait to see you today. Yours always, Dara.
Magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice the big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Aaron, do you take Dara to be your wife?
I
Do
do.
you promise to be faithful? Excited. Oh, hold on. I know you do. There's excitement, so the element of excitement.
Steady through the highs and lows, closer than your skin and bones. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. Shining in the darkest night, holding your heart in mine.
RKO out of nowhere. Seems a little... I've never hugged anyone.
Aaron, you belong to Dara. And Dara, you belong to Aaron.
Dara, take this ring as a sign of my love. and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Let this love go. But there's no
They've been together for more than 9 years, but that's only the start of their infinity and beyond. So move aside Cinderella, because this romance is more than just a fairy tale. It is magical, true, pure, and definitely one for the books.
There's no mountain we can't climb. We're crossing over the great.
To Dara and Aaron, guys, I love you. Happily ever after. Cheers.